Bonjour tout le monde. Welcome again to your French lesson. I am Céline and I am so happy to be here with you today. Today we will learn about the weather, la météo. Before we start, please click on like and subscribe to our channel for more content. Now, let's start with some easy words. How do you say the weather in French? It is la météo. Repeat after me. La météo. Very good. Now, let's talk about the sky. The sky is le ciel. Can you say le ciel? Excellent. What color is the sky when it's nice? It is blue. Blue in French is bleu. So, le ciel est bleu. The sky is blue. Repeat. Le ciel est bleu. Sometimes the sky is not blue. It can be gray. Gray in French is gris. So, le ciel est gris. The sky is gray. Repeat. Le ciel est gris. Let's practice. If the sky is blue, you say le ciel est bleu. If the sky is gray, you say le ciel est gris. Now let's talk about the sun. The sun is le soleil. Repeat, le soleil. When the sun is shining, it is sunny. Sunny in French is il y a du soleil. This means there is sun. Repeat, il y a du soleil. So when it's sunny, we say il y a du soleil. What do you say? Yes, il y a du soleil. And when it's sunny, the sky is often blue. Le ciel est bleu et il y a du soleil. The sky is blue and it is sunny. Repeat. Le ciel est bleu et il y a du soleil. What if it's not sunny? What if it's cloudy? Clouds in French are les nuages. Repeat. Les nuages. When there are clouds, it is cloudy. Cloudy in French is il y a des nuages. Repeat, il y a des nuages. So, if you see clouds, you say il y a des nuages. What do you say? Correct, il y a des nuages. Sometimes it's very cloudy. The sky is gray. Le ciel est gris et il y a des nuages. The sky is gray and it is cloudy. Repeat. Le ciel est gris et il y a des nuages. Let's practice again. If you see the sun, you say il y a du soleil. If you see clouds, you say il y a des nuages. Now let's talk about temperature. Is it hot or cold? Hot in French is chaud. Repeat. Chaud. When it is hot, we say il fait chaud. This means it makes hot, but it's the way we say it is hot. Repeat, il fait chaud. So if you feel hot, you say il fait chaud. What do you say? Yes, il fait chaud. What about cold? Cold in French is froid. Repeat, froid. When it is cold, we say il fait froid. Repeat, il fait froid. So if you feel cold, you say il fait froid. What do you say? Correct? Il fait froid. Let's put it together. If it's sunny and hot, you can say il y a du soleil et il fait chaud. Repeat. Il y a du soleil et il fait chaud. If it's cloudy and cold, you can say il y a des nuages et il fait froid. Repeat. Il y a des nuages et il fait froid. Now let's talk about rain. Rain in French is la pluie. Repeat. La pluie. When it is raining, we say il pleut. Repeat, il pleut. So, if you see rain, you say il pleut. What do you say? Yes, il pleut. And when it rains, the sky is often gray. Le ciel est gris et il pleut. The sky is gray and it is raining. Repeat, le ciel est gris et il pleut. Sometimes it rains a lot. That's heavy rain. But for now, just il pleut is good. What about wind? Wind in French is le vent. Repeat, le vent. When it is windy, we say il y a du vent. Repeat, il y a du vent. So if you feel the wind, you say il y a du vent. What do you say? Correct? Il y a du vent. It can be windy and cloudy. Il y a du vent et il y a des nuages. Repeat, il y a du vent et il y a des nuages. Let's practice a bit more. Imagine you are looking outside. Is it sunny? You say, il y a du soleil. Is it cloudy? You say, il y a des nuages. Is it raining? You say, il pleut. Is it windy? You say, il y a du vent. Now let's add temperature. Is it hot? You say, il fait chaud. Is it cold? You say, il fait froid. Let's try some combinations. If it's sunny and hot, what do you say? Il y a du soleil et il fait chaud. Very good. If it's cloudy and cold, what do you say? Il y a des nuages et il fait froid. Excellent. If it's raining and windy, what do you say? Il pleut et il y a du vent. Well done. Now, let's talk about snow. Snow in French is la neige. Repeat, la neige. When it is snowing, we say il neige. Repeat, il neige. So, if you see snow, you say il neige. What do you say? Yes, il neige. When it snows, it is usually cold. Il neige et il fait froid. It is snowing and it is cold. Repeat, il neige et il fait froid. Let's review the words we learned for weather. La météo, the weather. Le ciel, the sky. Le soleil, the sun. Les nuages, the clouds. La pluie, the rain. Le vent, the wind. La neige, the snow. And the phrases, il y a du soleil, it is sunny. Il y a des nuages, it is cloudy. Il pleut, it is raining. Il y a du vent, it is windy. Il neige, it is snowing. And for temperature, il fait chaud, it is hot. Il fait froid, it is cold. Let's do a quick exercise. I will describe the weather, and you say the French phrase. If the sky is blue and the sun is shining, what do you say? Il y a du soleil. Good. You could also say le ciel est bleu et il y a du soleil. If you see lots of clouds and it's cold, what do you say? Il y a des nuages et il fait froid. Perfect. If it's raining, what do you say? Il pleut. Yeah. If it's snowing, what do you say? Il neige. Fantastic. If it's windy, what do you say? Il y a du vent. Excellent. And if it's very hot, what do you say? Il fait chaud. Wonderful. Let's learn a few more useful phrases. How do you ask what's the weather like in French? It is quel temps fait-il? Repeat, quel temps fait-il? This is a very common question. So practice it. Quel temps fait-il? If someone asks you, what's the weather like? You can answer with what we learned. For example, if it's sunny, you say, il y a du soleil. If it's raining, you say, il pleut. If it's cold, you say, il fait froid. Let's try a little dialogue. Person A, quel temps fait-il? Person B, il y a du soleil. Person A, quel temps fait-il? Person B, il pleut. Person A, quel temps fait-il? Person B, il fait froid. Try to answer these questions yourself. Quel temps fait-il? Imagine it's sunny. Il y a du soleil. Quel temps fait-il? Imagine it's cold. Il fait froid. Quel temps fait-il? Imagine it's raining. Il pleut. You are doing so well. Let's add one more thing. Sometimes the weather is not good. Bad weather in French can be described in different ways. Stormy is orageux, but that's a bit advanced. Let's stick to simple things. If it's raining a lot, you can say, il pleut beaucoup. Beaucoup means a lot. Repeat, il pleut beaucoup. If it's very windy, you can say, il y a beaucoup de vent. Repeat, il y a beaucoup de vent. And if it's very hot, il fait très chaud. Très means very. Repeat, il fait très chaud. And if it's very cold, il fait très froid. Repeat, il fait très froid. Let's review the question and some answers. Question, quel temps fait-il? Possible answer, il y a du soleil. It is sunny. Il y a des nuages. It is cloudy. Il pleut. It is raining. Il y a du vent. It is windy. Il neige. It is snowing. Il fait chaud. It is hot. Il fait froid. It is cold. You can also combine them. Il y a du soleil et il fait chaud. It is sunny and hot. Il y a des nuages et il pleut. It is cloudy and raining. Il neige et il fait froid. It is snowing and cold. Let's do a final quick review of everything we learned today. We learned how to talk about the weather in French. The word for weather is la météo. We learned words for sky, sun, clouds, rain, wind, and snow. Le ciel, le soleil, les nuages, la pluie, le vent, la neige. We learned how to say if it's sunny, cloudy, raining, windy, or snowing. Il y a du soleil, il y a des nuages, il pleut, il y a du vent, il neige. We learned how to say if it's hot or cold. Il fait chaud, il fait froid. And we learned how to ask, what's the weather like? Quel temps fait-il? And how to answer that question. For example, il y a du soleil, or il fait froid. You have learned so many new French words and phrases today. This is fantastic. Practicing these phrases will help you a lot. Try to use them every day. Look outside and say what the weather is like in French. For example, if it's sunny right now where you are, say, il y a du soleil. If it's raining, say, il pleut. If it's cold, say, il fait froid. Keep practicing, and you will become very good at talking about the weather in French. Thank you for joining me.